I don't care if it's SP or not.
What the hell? What is this? Look at you guys. Somebody shout out Jeremy.
Let's go press that thing.
You can use your gun to shut him up.
Oh. What the shit, man?
Wow.
Hey, you cheated. Why did you have the AWP? You cheated.
I cheated.
You cheated, you bastard.
Ooh.
Blood, finish him off.
Fine.
I saw 68 HP, man. YOLO.
Fine.
The moment you kill me, then you just die.
I was like, want to knife him, man.
Alright, let's go, boys.
No, Balafin, you're not going to do the door thing again. Get lost. Get lost. Get lost. No. No. Aha! I got it.
It's the second hardest time by yourself. First fire.
Whoa.
Whoa.
How do you die? No.
Just die. Instantly.
Never mind. You'll respawn there.
What happens if he never respawn?
Well, I don't know.
Whoever uses the flash, they use first fire.
Oi, don't press
Wait.
that. Hey, don't be a booty. Here.
Wait, it's too late already.
Yeah, thanks.
Mate, you be a
Kali see your one first.
Yep, got it. Got the Nova.
Go.
I do a charge first, man.
Should I put MP teammates or enemies?
Yeah,
Get lost. Okay.
those go.
Hey, should we enable like friendly fire? Because like make it like real life.
You know.
You know how to set.
Oh shit.
Wait.
Jeremy, you know how? You type MP friendly fire 1.
Hi. Hey.
There we
Hey,
go.
I watched the other door.
Fine. I watched the.
Ouch! Out the way, please.
Guys.
Hey, stop blocking me.
Oh!
No. Attack ah. Oi!
I'm back.
No.
There, going on. The real way, higher difficulty.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
Where are you?
Yeah, just join us.
Ali! Please!
Oh shit, me. You.
Hi!
I was shooting.
Oh shit, please don't. Oh my, why?
You
Need to buy armor again.
Oh my god, look at what you did. Three person in a row.
Oh, collateral.
I also did that please. Why did you kill me? Everyone team kills me, man.
这个你要不要？喂，还是
Why are you standing in the middle of that?
Wow, next year. I make it out. Next time.
What the shit is going on?
Come on, start it.
Hey, can I spawn? Sorry.
Why am I always stuck with you two?
Hey.
I don't know.
Wait, get back.
Stay back.
Bro, back.
And
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it back.
Seriously, head a server.
Nice kill.
Nice kill.
What was?
I'm trying to kill the bot.
Was I feel like in front of-
the bomb him.
Hey, Derek,
No, he buy.
跟家朋友，你要不要过来看？
I just kill him.
Okay, never mind. Go this way.
我其他的朋友在跟我玩。
Ah, shit. Who's the guy?
That's good. There's an op there.
Damn it, you're the Inquisitor. I got enemy. Heck, the server.
Let's see how.
Let's see if he can survive this. Jeremy.
Shut.
Nico.
Shut up.
Nico. How you been here? Get down!
Hey, I'm first place, okay? Don't like that, like. I don't care. Why am I always the last one stop?
I have no idea.
Come on. Let's
Why is SV Cheats 1? Shut the hell up. You go to the public competitive and then you go spam the Nico. Alright, everyone, let's buy a shotgun.
What happened?
Let's buy a shotgun.
Oi.
Oh, shit! Oh, wow.
Who was spamming the door?
Oh, I'm here now.
Damn, that was easy.
Oi.
Out of the way!
Oh, the way.
Calix PG.
Oh.
Oi.
I was aiming for the...
Whoa, why are you fighting me?
Hello.
Thanks for
Hey,
saving
stop!
me.
Wait, stop.
Okay, fine.
Kali, what? You just have shoot me, right?
Accidentally.
Hey, why you start?
Wow. Okay, kill everybody.
Hey, no. For what, yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
What just happened?
Oh my god!
Okay,
Okay, you know what?
Draw!
Eh, what's slow motion?
Betul slow motion though.
Okay, maybe it's the SVT. Hey, no giving weapon. If I see anyone giving weapon to themselves,
Wait, please don't click me. Actually, I can no click myself. Yeah.
weapon to the server.
I have no idea.
Is that Max 7?
Yeah? What else would it be?
I want a Max 7.
Oh, I'll give you back 7.
I use a cheat, I guess.
Oh shit, I
Random
forgot.
accusation.
Ikon.
Whoa, what that happened?
Look at I've been died.
Ikon.
I also don't know how I've been died.
Ikon.
Oh, wow.
Wow, doing more team damage will cause you to be kicked.
Whoa.
Team kill. Oh, team kill.
Best pepper ever. Best pepper ever I've seen.
Oh shit.
Whoa. Whoa.
Well, ow. I hate these guys.
Ow! Oh my god! Wait, there I shot you.
MVP.
Oh, I guess Jeremy quit.